Hi guys, it's Tony again. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing fine, okay? So in this video, I would like to talk with you about the biggest mistake most affiliate marketers make, including me. For the first 2 years that I failed so miserably, it was because me did not do this thing, or I have these missing parts that today I'm going to talk about. So that I want to show you my mistake, and I don't want you to go that route. And also you can cut the learning curve and save a lot of your money and put your money towards your investment during the monthly cost of running your business instead. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. I just drew the chart for you guys to understand a bigger picture in order to magnify the bridge page and also the capture page, the relationship between the two, and also how they can lead to the sales page. Alright. So we begin with the capture page right after they enter the email, the first email. Let's say they put in their email address, and then instantly they will get the first letter about the welcoming message like, oh, thank you for opting in my newsletters list. So this is the link that you are requesting. So then you send the prospects to the first of the bridge page, okay? And then the first one of the bridge page, there will be, could be like introduction of yourself a little bit, just like the third generation of the marketing plan or the method or the blueprint. But then you introduce them to watch the first part of the bridge page, okay? And then in the first bridge page, you might want to talk about something that complement with the product that you are going to sell to your audience, because we want to build the relationship here, because the most important thing about the bridge page is just the name suggests, you know, like we want to build relationship, bridging them between a normal guy, you know, like people on the streets, you know, we want them to come closer to our product, talking about how good the product is and why they want to buy this product and things like that. So I will use the example of affiliate marketing, which I am in, okay, the industry. So the first one, I might talk about the introduction to affiliate marketing in general, the 30,000 foot view, talking a little bit about the traffic, the capture page, the bridge page, and then the good products and things like that. In general, you don't have to go in depth, just to give them the big picture so that they can dig deeper in the later series or in the product itself, okay? So hope you understand. And then the second day on, you know, you send the second email to your audience, and then that second email could lead to the BP number 2. And in BP number 2, you might want to talk about the strategy, okay? Like what you normally do, you're talking about everything in there. You might want to also talk about the tools and the services involved that help you make successful funnels, okay? We talked about funnels already. And then the third day, we talked about, for example, we might talk about how we can, what is the best traffic for this industry, for affiliate marketing. Maybe just only you just put the example like for yourself, you use TikTok, for example, that is at this moment is very popular everywhere. But for me myself, I don't use TikTok because I just found out just not long ago that TikTok is very, what should I say, geographical, because it's, you know, it cannot reach the audience in the first world countries like in the US, in Australia, in so many other countries, because at the moment I am based in Thailand, so I only reach the audience like around here where the buying power is not so high. So it's not something effective for me for TikTok, but like I use the means like Facebook and also YouTube, heavily with YouTube, because I like to master my skill in that area. So you might talk about that and then give them options, you know, that they don't have to use YouTube only, you know, they can use something that they are good at, that they use like daily as their second nature platform, like they check out, check out on things on that platform. It could be LinkedIn, it could be Instagram, any other platforms of their choice, okay? So then the fourth one, you might talk about the products, okay, how to select good products, how to filter the good products and filter out all the bad products out there, because there are so many products out there, especially in affiliate marketing niche here. You can take a look at, let's say, a big name marketplace like ClickBank there, and then there are so many products for you guys to choose, and then why you choose this one instead of this one, are there any criteria that help you select, you know, the good products? You might want to talk about the value ladder at the very beginning. You might want to sell something that is very low, and then you would upsell them with let's say other level of product that is going to be more powerful, coupled with the help of the first product that you are selling, the front product, and something like that, okay? And then the price range of the product is also very important, because people are not going to buy something that is very expensive right off the gate, right? So they must be lured into, or not lured, but like they must be led into the sales funnel with something at a very low price first before they get to decide for themselves the next stage. Like, there is an upsell there, it's going to be very complementary to the first product that you just bought. Would you like to buy this one? If you buy this one, then you are going to have 50% off of the price of the original price. So it saves you money, and also it's going to help make your first product that you just bought more powerful, something like that, okay? So just want to tell you that the bridge page is something that helps us build more relationship, build rapport, and most importantly, you can put out your personality to your audience so that they can get to know yourself more. Most likely, they're not going to buy even during the first 4 days of the series here, because like I said last time in the last video, which I will include in the link below there, that it takes about 7 exposures or 7 emails before your audience, you know, decide to buy. So it takes at least 3 more days before they decide to buy. But who knows, you know, sometimes people might want to buy since the first day. There are some cases that happen to me and also to other marketers who are doing this way as well. Why? Because you just don't know, you know, when people are going to buy. You put it as an option, because at the end of each bridge page, you are going to have a button there, and inside the button, you include the link that are going to direct them to the sales page there. It's like a soft sell there. It's like, if you want to buy, if you want to check out the product now, you don't have to wait for like another day, then you can check this out, you know. And some of the people who have a little bit of the knowledge about the program already, then they just want to have some kind of a confirmation from you a little bit more before they decide to buy. Maybe the first one or the first 2 bridge pages are enough for them to decide to buy, something like that. So it's more like a soft sell. But maybe if you want to do, if you remember the what should I say, the philosophy, the tactic about the jab, jab, jab and right hook, the first 3 days of your bridge page could be the jab, jab, jab. You know, you give them value, value, value. And then the fourth one, you might want to make sale. You propose your sale to your potential customers. You can do that too, okay? And if you want to go an extra mile, okay, you can also have the 5th day here of your bridge page, BP5, where you are going to talk about bonuses that you are going to give it to your audience, together with the bonuses from the program already, because most of the good programs out there, they already include like the support, all kinds of support, tech support, some other things, and also they have their own community, most likely Facebook group of their own, that they are going to help people regularly. Could be like every week or every 2-3 days or something like that. So we also want to do that kind of thing, but not as big as that one. We want to do, let's say I am just a small marketer here. I want to do something within my reach, within my power to do so. For example, I might include, if you decide to buy now, okay, and this offer is not going to last very long time. Probably it could stay maybe for the next 3 days. If you decide to buy within the next 36 hours, I am going to give you the first one is the 3 free ebooks, okay, for you. And then the second one, I could give you the free one-on-one call for 30 minutes, try to help you strategize what you are going to do or what you should do right off the gate, so that you don't have to find your own way about what to do after you buy the product, what to start and things like that. You know, it's like something special to the one they are having after they buy already from the company of the product, okay? And then you might want to have something like the ongoing support in any form, in any kind, you know. For me, I think that it's going to be something more like a boost to, you know, push them off the fence. If they are on the fence still with whether they are decide to buy, should I buy or should I not, or something like that, most likely if they see the bonuses that you are going to give them, okay, they will just, you know, it will increase the possibility or the likelihood of them buying that product within the time frame that you are giving it to them. For example, the 36 hours, after 36 hours, you are going to take this special bonuses off, and then you might not have seen it, you know, forever after this, something like that. So this is going to be a big jump, okay, to your sales, okay. So you might make a lot more sales according to this one compared to the third generation or the second generation, especially before. So this is just the like going an extra mile, you know, if you want to have more sales, but at the same time build the relationship more with your audience. And I care about this one the most, because the good relationship can bring you to so many good things, both you and your audience. Probably in the future you guys might collaborate somehow and then help make good products once you are ready to, you know, to step up the level, okay. So I hope you understand everything here. It's going to be very nice if you can do this. If not, you can just use the third generation of the marketing plan or the marketing model. But this one is like, I would say 3.5 generation, because this is just the extension of the third generation of the marketing model. And it's going to take a bit more work. I'm not saying that it's easy. It's a lot, because you have to plan things out accordingly, orderly, so that your audience can follow along in order. But it's going to increase the sale quite a lot and tremendously, I can say that, okay. So I hope you get a lot of value. I will also include the link of the previous video that I talked about the big picture of the strategy overall, so that if this is the first time here for you guys, some of you, then you can check that out first. If you don't understand about this video, then you can just, you know, rewatch that one and also come back to this one again in order to get the big picture, the value here that I am going to give you guys. So I hope you understand, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment if you have any question. I am more than happy to help you guys out. Thank you very much for your attention for today, and I will see you next time.